Welcome back, guys. Hope everybody had a great day. Hope everybody's out there chasing their dreams, achieving their goals, and more importantly, doing what you love. All right, today's challenge, what we're gonna be doing, a Nerf gun challenge, right? So there's 18 packs. We'll have 18 shots. However many we knock down in those 18 shots, it's the packs that we'll be opening up. All ready? Let's go. 13 packs. All right, guys, that was a fun experience. So here's our 13 packs. So let's start with it. were today's pulls. What do you think? I think these gold energy cards are actually pretty awesome. And man, the Umbreon VMAX, I mean, look at that art. It's crazy, man. Crazy beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little challenge we did. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you next time.